Let me ask you something. If your entire team doesn't believe they have a fair shot at success, how long before they stop trying? For decades, companies have focused their incentives on rewarding the top performers. Seems logical. Reward the best, inspire the rest. But here's the truth. That approach is outdated and it's hurting your business. It's not just about performance. It's about building a culture of inclusion, trust, and fairness. And when employees believe leadership is fair and unbiased, that's when retention, engagement, and performance soar. Traditional incentives focus on rewarding whoever hits the highest numbers. But let's face it, that's usually the same handful of people. Not because they're favored, but because the system is designed to recognize only a narrow definition of success. This leaves your B-level performers, the ones with the real potential, feeling stuck. They see no clear path to success, so they stop trying. When that happens, productivity stalls, morale drops, and turnover rises. Worse, it erodes trust. And trust is the foundation of any successful team. The solution? Incentives that inspire everyone to grow, not just the top 10%. This isn't about handing out trophies. It's about building a system where success feels achievable for all. By rewarding multiple KPIs like customer satisfaction, attendance, or training completion, you give every employee a fair shot at recognition. You may move away from a single definition of success and start building a culture of inclusion and trust. Micro rewards recognize the small daily wins that fuel consistent growth. And that consistency is what drives long-term success. Success doesn't just come from your top 10%. It comes from moving the middle up. Imagine if your average performers improved by just 10%. What would that mean for your business? By creating attainable, meaningful goals for every employee, you build a culture where everyone feels valued. And when employees feel valued and trust their leadership, they don't leave. They grow, they perform, and they win. Companies using ZIZO's incentive systems have seen a 30% drop in turnover and a major boost in productivity across all levels, not just at the top. When employees feel like they have a fair shot at success, and that leadership is recognizing their progress without bias, they stay engaged, they stay motivated, and they stay. Your top performers are important, but they can't carry your entire business. The future of performance lies in lifting your entire team, building trust, and rewarding progress across the board. Let's build a system where everyone has a reason to give their best. It's game time, and when you're with ZIZO, everybody wins.